Hello and welcome again on Stocks Advisor, and today we'll talk about WiseKey International Holding, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name WK or WK. So also next to GFIN, we discussed also in another video today, enormous growth, crazy volumes, and all based on news, of course, and very small market capitalization. So here you can see for a company with market capitalization of 220 almost millions, the major price action took place from the middle of the day with big volatilities and big upwards shadows. We will see those now, 64% at the end, after hours trading 13 plus, so even higher, and all based on non-fungible tokens news announcement. So if you want to see more, according to Yahoo Finance, you can find it actually on those news. So what's next? Of course, the question is, where is it going, high or low, how to trade here? Because many people discuss it, many people want to try, but you need to mitigate your risks. Otherwise, you can lose a lot of money on these enormous volatilities. Just look these levels here. It's very big. And if you look carefully, of course, you see some trends and some speculation. So the trends are these lines. So let's call it a T1 level. We will need it later. This was the trend for recovery, and indeed we reached it, but now the volumes traded today are incomparable. So you'll see this gray bar, it's uncomparable with previous levels. Well, yesterday was still high, but very much higher than previous levels. And of course now the question is, what's next? Well, the question, the trade for tomorrow should be very careful, very risk mitigated, because it's also the last trade for the week. Giving the fact that RSI is already high, so there are many people with profits already, and that after hours we are already very high, plus 15%, so shorts could be engaging tomorrow. And also based on expectations of news for such a small market capitalization company, and news kind of that there could be an offering placed during weekend, the decision could come. Most probably people won't be holding it over weekend. So it might start with decline, with a jump and then decline. So something with a jump 13% and then decline. So we need to be prepared to catch the volatility. And to catch the volatility, you just enter and then on the appropriate support resist levels, do quick profit and exit. You don't hold it too much. And therefore the first level to exit here, of course, opens clearly on this level. You see it. So it will be between 11 and actually something like 9, let's say 60. So if the price volatiles there, you can immediately start buying slowly again, not just on the top with all position, but slowly from the top to the end of the channel within let's say 960 to 11. This would be nice safe trade. Then if rebounds takes place, you can take, and you need to take your profit. Usually we advise taking profit 10 to 15%, but this is extremely fast chart, so you can try to take from 15 to 20 and take it. Otherwise, don't keep it longer. It could expire and you could lose money. So take it. Try not to keep it over weekend, because there is a lot of uncertainty. So the level of uncertainty and risks are increasing if you keep it longer. So that would be the quick trade. Should we go even lower? Not expected, of course, but still could be. This is purely volatility game. So the next level for volatility could be just lower here. If you see, so these would be the next levels to enter. One will start just lower than let's say 9, and another one will go all the way to 8. So it will be between, let's say 8 and 890. Again, with an immediate buy from the top of the channel, meaning that you can slowly start entering there within this channel. But still, we need to, it's lower, of course, but need to be careful and playing with the, let's say, cold head. Otherwise, you could be dragged with volatility and lose a lot of money here. Don't forget, this stock is known for big upwards shadows, meaning that you can buy on the top, hoping for further growth, and then lose money. Just see these actions in beginning of the year. Actually, there are plenty of examples, and then with the further decline. So this can happen, and you need to be prepared. So with this being said, that would be the second level, the principal support line, also together with T1 trend. That's why I wanted you to see it. It would be actually quite strong level and actually double support in this case. And if any negative catalyst comes, here could be any, for example, offering or expectation for offering, especially after the weekend. Just to keep it in mind, again, don't keep it over weekend, but if the price drops, just keep some funds, because the risk mitigation is the key at our channel. That's how we make the business and trade. Next level is obvious here between actually, let's say this level, 6 and 650. This is the best for risk mitigation. You can say, well, it's high, it's never going there. Agree, it might not go there at all, not expected to go, but if it goes, it's better to be prepared on this principal level. And that's the part of our mixed analysis, which is based on 3 pillars. It's a technical analysis, then non-linear averaging down strategy based on resist support levels, and this is the key, mitigating the risks due to negative catalysts. And it's better to keep some funds for mitigating. So that will be then between 6 and 650, purely for mitigation reasons. The numerical table, if you are more for graphical representation, you can look here on the right. Whenever you have the repulse and the price goes high, don't hesitate, take the profit. The profit taken is your profit. The profit not taken, it's lost money. And it's simple like that. So take it, 15 to 20%, take it, enjoy it, and then think, oh, if I would wait it longer, I could make more money. No, you are not in the casino. You want to trade confidently, daily, and make profit every day, not once in a while. So take it, enjoy it, and develop your strategy. So with this being said, that's the card. How to average down, still 5 portions, quite safe, because we anticipated to very low support levels. 5 portions play means that the funds you would like to play here, you can split in 5, then you can buy with 1 portion in the first channel, you can buy with 2 portions in the second channel, and then you can finally, if price goes there with negative catalyst, average down with 2 portions and 6 to 50, when people probably will be massively leaving and taking loss, you just average down and take the profit. So that's the part of our strategy. With this being said, that's actually all for WK. Not that difficult, but very volatile. So it will require from you some, let's say, some strong nerves, some patience exercise. And again, if not coming to this opportunity, just skip it. Not worth of risking too much. There are also other videos, other possibilities you can find at our channel. Even videos up to 5 weeks ago uploaded are still fresh, especially if the situation there is about to go to the final levels of support. You could be in time to enter and make your profit there. So with this being said, good luck and see you at another episodes of Stocks Advisor channel.